Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing I Am Cat. I'm going to scratch. How do you use this? Oh. Hey newbie, are you new to the neighborhood? If you are, we want to join our cat gang. You have to prove that you're worth for your task. First, get to know the house. Okay. Fish tank. I'm going to feed them fish. No, I spilled. Can I scratch the couch? Scratch, scratch. Come on. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Hey, no. Yeah. Go, go. Scared. Leave me alone. Go. Up. I got long arms. Go. Go. I broke your vase. And your plant. Freak your plant. Hurry up the volume real quick. Okay, let's go. Woo! No! I am cat. Security. Try. I don't know. Let's go. Come on. Can we climb outside? I want to go outside. Hit 10 moles in 45 minutes. Where are the moles at? I'm stuck. Stuck. Can I cook something? Just go. 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 So. Go, Chris. Alright. Go. Cook the fishies. Alright, let's go get a fishy. Fishy. Can I not go in the water? Oh yeah, cats don't like water. Get over here, fishy. Fishy. Come on, fishy. You know you want the food. Gotcha. Oi. No, no, no. Get the food. Get the food. No. I was touching my carpet right now. Come on. Get food. I think the pan is gonna overheat. Go, go. Oh. No. Frick. Go. Come on, you want some food? Come and get. Can I just just throw that over there? Get it. Get it. I can't get it. Oh, I get it. I get it. I get it. I have my claws out. No. Oh my god. No, I have to have my claws out. Scratch. Yarn. More food. We need more food. No! No! Okay. Bye. Okay. Wow.
Christian, don't forget your keys to lock the door. The pizza's in the fridge. Do you have juice at your house? Yeah. Okay. Because I think there's some soda here too. Or si quieres. It's in that small fridge, and then the waters are outside.
Go.
Yeah. Don't hesitate to call me. Christian, charge your phone. Mom already yelled at me for you not charging your phone.
What do you mean?
Yeah. That's this.
Password 1, 2. Okay. Ow. What the? I knocked over the monitor. No, 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 no. Get the stupid coin. Yeah, there. What is that, dude? Hello? Ah, okay, my bad, my bad. Come on, follow me, follow me. Can I pick you up real quick? Okay. I know you're getting mad. I know you're getting mad. Don't get mad. I got you. I need you to catch a fish for me, all right? Go, fish. Come on, fish. Stop my arm. Dude, I can't grab a fish. All right, so I guess you're not allowed to grab fish in the game. Guess what? You become a fish now. Don't stop getting jumped. Yay! You're going in the water. Scratch. What's on my watch? Why do I have an Apple Watch? Let's damn. Turn on the dance channel. All right. Where's the dance channel? On the TV? Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Mission complete. Go. I literally... in 45 seconds. Let's go. I was talking about this button. Oh, red button. Stop. Got it. Where are you, other? The other one is. I should put it right there. Oh, I see you, boy. I got it. I'm gonna get the robot real quick. I think he's mad. My bad, bro. Oh, what the? Okay, I think I can't get him out over there. I'm not playing that game anymore. Oh, I forgot about the pan. How did I not burn myself? Turn that off. Sink water. Get the sink. Take a nap. Just drink some water. Can I throw the water? Throw the plate? It broke. What are you gonna... Oh, crap. How do people... No. How do you, like... Leave me alone. Grammy, leave me alone, please. Please. Can't get me now. Can't get me now. Get away. Get out of here. Get the yachts. What? Okay, run. Grammy, where are you? Hope you fall down the stairs. Isn't there a wall behind that clock? Or like there's like a room, I mean. You can see a room. How do you glitch in there? Can you glitch in there or something? No, you can't. Scratch. No. Knock over the vase. Come on. I'm stuck. Okay. Can I sit down? What do I have next? What do I have to do? Do I not have anything? Okay, I got 4. I gotta knock over more books. Where are the books? Books. Can I climb up the walls like Spider-Man? I can. The scaling. Come on, scale. This is like scaling trees and girl tag. No. Yeah. No. Okay, let's go. This way. Open the fridge. What do we got here? Why is there cat food in? So we have to wait for a little bit. Okay, it's cooking. Come on. Done. Can I not eat it? That's weird. So I can't just eat it? Damn. Oh, I can cook some carrots. And like tomato. Just tomato. And some carrot. We can cook them. I'm stuck. Stop. Okay, there. Why am I floating? Why do I have, like, why am I so tall? Oh. Come on. Wait, I want to make Grandma mad. Okay, turn off the water. I don't want to make her that mad where the bills are so much. Here, I got a chicken for you. Grandma, I got chicken for you. Chicken. Chicken. Come on, eat your chicken. Eat your chicken. Come on, 5-second rule. 5-second rule. Come on, eat your... I was gonna say veggies. Well, these are not veggies. Ah. Come on, come on. Go. Okay. I'm gonna watch. Dancing. Whoa. That's my enemy. That's my op. Frick you, dog. I still have... Oh, I can shoot buckets in this game? Goodbye. If you don't subscribe, that dog is gonna run you over.